What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So quickly look at technical factors here on natural gas. So price is still inside the symmetrical triangle pattern, and it is very crucial to see a breakout. Now, as you can see, price nicely bounced up from the lower trend and heading towards the upper trend line. Now, previously that happened all the way from here till here, and the price pushes back down. Now here we can see a similar move. Price hit this trend line and then it pushes back down. So the more the touches we get, the stronger this pattern will get. And I'm mainly looking here on daily time frame as well. So we still need to see a close, a complete and solid close to see a confirmation that price will then likely to push up to these levels. Same like we had on gold, which I'm going to go through in a very short while. Just keep an eye on a solid close. Even if you're looking here on 4 hours, solid close with a solid body is must. We don't want to see a wick like this. These are just a fake out. So make sure you see a solid close. Once we have that, we are good to go long. But for entries, close itself is an entry, but that is very risky and aggressive entry. The better entry is close, retest, engulfer. That is a confirmation the price is going to push up. And if that happens, we are looking at the level above, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video for all 4 platforms for Nemex, Capital.com, MCX and Ovanda. So keep an eye here. Mark this symmetrical triangle patterns on your chart so that you can see once it breaks. Exactly same goes with the Nemex. As you can see, we had this little fake outs due to gap up and gap down opening, but we are looking here on a daily time frame that looks absolutely fine. So keep an eye on the breakout and the zone above and zone below. Remember, if you are broken below, in that case we are falling down to the level of support. If you are broken above, we are looking at the level of resistance. So that is why confirmation is very important. For now, we are still above 50 EMA, so way is towards the bullish side. Same goes with Ovanda. Let this candle close. This green candle must close above this symmetrical triangle pattern, and if you look here on 4 hour, we have just broken above. Now again, that could be fake out as well. For the complete confirmation, let the price break above 3.481. Once that happens, we are just looking for pullback and we are going to go long with pullback entry bullish. So that is all we are looking at. Let's see how this goes. If we have a solid momentum above 50 EMA, then we are looking at the price to head to the next level of major resistance, which is right up there, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Keep an eye here on MCX as well. Similar goes with all the others platform. Now here on gold, a very good example on gold, I've mentioned that a solid close means we have an entry, and as you can see all the way from here, ATR is $24, means 2,400 pips, and all the way from here the price pushes up 2,700 pips, and that is an aggressive entry, and that would have played out and that would have made you good amount of money. For one standard lot, that is 2,700 pounds already minus commissions. And as you can see, I've already mentioned that to my members in the report I've sent yesterday that I'll be looking to break to enter aggressively. So as you can see, that happens, and that would have hit your take profit easily. As you can see on a daily, we are getting a break. Once this is closed, we have a solid chance the price will push up to the next level of major resistance, which is 3427.43 goes to 3498.60. On 4 hour, we have already broken, and now we are just looking for a pullback entry bullish. If you have not entered here, if you have, then make sure you exit your trades all the way from here to the zone above. If you are managing this trade, keep your stop loss below this pattern and the EMAs as well. So that is for the aggressive trader. For the less aggressive traders like myself, I want to see pullback above 50 EMA with engulfing candle, then we are going to go long. So we are now bullish for gold. We have confirmation that price is likely going to push up to the next level, which I've already mentioned. On silver, finally we have broken out of this range and now we are hitting the level of resistance. Keep an eye on this level. It is a very important level. 34.42 goes to 35.00. It is an area from where we can see a possible fall. Now keep an eye on this area. We can just expect a pullback and then solid continuation. That is also expected, but this is a pullback we need to capture for our take profit. But we only going to enter once we have a bearish engulfers or double top. In that case, we are going to go short. If there is no condition, we are not selling. Instead, we are just looking for pullback and bullish engulfing pattern if there is no sell condition, and then we're going to go long from here using one ATR for the initial targets. Finally, we have crude oil. It's also ranging sideways. We are still looking at the level above 63.87 goes to 65.82, and on Ovanda it is right here. 65.76 goes to 67.59 in case you're trading on this platform. All we are looking at the price to hit this zone, form some sort of condition like bearish engulfer or double top to go short. If there is no condition and price break above this high with without a sell condition, we are just looking for a pullback and buy this market and keep on taking long. So it depends if the price forms a condition at this area or not. If not, we are just looking to buy crude oil. For now, we are not bearish and we are not bullish as well. We are just ranging sideways. We are still below 50 EMA, means on a daily we still have a chance the price will push down, but we need to see a solid entry condition to sell this market from the red zone. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.